I have realized I'm an all or nothing person. If I can't eat perfectly, I eat anything. If I can't work out, I don't move at all. And this week really tested that. It is week 2 of 75 Hard. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the first part of it. We did leg workout today, and honestly, I cannot even like stand or walk anymore. मतलब ज़्यादा ही मैंने एक्सट्रीम थोड़ा कर लिया. एंड आई ऑल्सो ट्राइड द वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको लटक के एप्स करना विच क्या डेड हैंग लटक के एप्स करना तो वो किया विच वॉज गुड. आई फील लाइक I am gonna grow taller if I do that every day. I am just having my protein shake with banana, which is the recipe that I've been using lately, and I have my banana every day with this so that I get my fiber too, and it also tastes so much better. So yeah, the blended thing is coming in so handy every day. मतलब ये portable है, and obviously I'm not like paid to talk about this. I genuinely really love this, so I have this every day. वी ऑल रिमेंबर मैं जब पहले प्रोटीन शेक पीती थी आई यूज्ड टू मेक दिस फेस एक पी के. नाउ आई एंजॉय माई ड्रिंक लाइक इट्स अ नॉर्मल शेक. That is good. I'm back at my home and wait. सागर रह गया. मैं वापस ऊपर जाके सागर को लिफ्ट में लेके आई हूँ, सेम लिफ्ट में. कॉल बटन कैंसिल करके वापस गई हूँ. बट आई वाज सेइंग कि आई वाज फीलिंग रियली सिक सिंस येस्टरडे. टुडे इज माई डे 2 ऑफ वीक 2 एंड आई ट्राई टू ईट लाइक ऑल द घर का थिंग बट ऑब्वियसली आई डेंट हैव proper protein source. I've had pulses since yesterday for lunch I had pulses, then rajma salad for dinner last night, and in this morning I had upma, which was also good. I didn't take any video or pictures of all that because I was just not feeling great. I was sick, so medicines वगैरह लेके आया. Anyway, let's see how it feels now. I feel a little better though, but I'm still gonna wait and see if I can resume back to my workout today. Wait करना पड़ेगा. पैक देगा पूरा. Oh shit. We've come to third wave, but it's packed. We are back. Swarg.
This time we're definitely buying something.
Last time also we bought it. We bought cards.
Which?
मेरे को लग रहा है यही ब्लॉग में मल्टीपल टाइम्स हम सेकेंड टाइम या थर्ड टाइम आ रहा है.
Last time we just exited.
I don't know why we keep coming here because this place is for kids.
Cards?
It is
or
literally for
looking
kids.
Cars.
Or stationery. But it's a cool place
Foreign
actually.
is going to gift me a remote control car this way.
रिमोट कंट्रोल कार. मैंने उसको इतने दिन से पूछा तेरे को बर्थडे पे क्या गिफ्ट चाहिए. उसका बर्थडे है 29th को. आज है 26th. हॉट व्हील्स मैंने देखो लास्ट मंथ ही हॉट व्हील्स दिलाए थे.
दिलाए थे बोले कि तो मम्मी बुलाऊंगा तुझे.
अभी तूने क्या बोला, तू मेरे को दिला रही है. तो अभी ये मंथ हॉट व्हील्स तो नहीं मिलेंगे तुझे. कुछ और ढूंढ.
F1 वाला गाड़ी.
F1 वाला कार
F1 वाला इधर ही था.
वो हैमिल्टन के साथ आना चाहिए.
हाँ ये वाला ना. नहीं ये क्लर्क वाला.
लक तो मज़ा नहीं आया मुझे.
क्या बोल रही है गाड़ी का कलर?
मैं आ चुकी हूँ बाहर बिकॉज कुछ ज़्यादा मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है. इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं था जो भी दिख रहा था. अच्छा चीज़ वो भी थोड़े कुछ ज़्यादा ही लो ग्रेड क्वालिटी लग रहा था. सो या पहले इट हैड अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रेट स्टफ but not anymore. Anyway, we ordered only one coffee today at Third Way because we are going at Rishabh and Suku's. Since I'm on a no drinking zone because of my rules, we're not drinking but we'll probably just have coffee. So ज़्यादा coffee नहीं करनी थी इसलिए हम लोग ने Third Way में जाके सिर्फ एक ही coffee मंगाया and we shared that, which was decent. Let's go now. कौन खोलेगा?
I am guessing
Naked.
Rishabh with a cap.
ना तो कोई अंदर से ही आ रहा है. ऋषभ विद बॉक्सेस.
नहीं
वो घर पे कोई है ही नहीं तो.
तेरा क्या बेटा? रक्षित.
रक्षित नेकेड और ऋषभ इन बॉक्सेस.
ऋषभ with a cap. Oh shit.
ऋषभ इन बॉक्सेस. आई वन.
Of course. मैंने बोला ऋषभ इन cap.
मैंने बोला या तो
Cap कहाँ से होगा?
रक्षित नेकेड या फिर तू बॉक्सर्स?
रक्षित नेकेड
वाव, देख रक्षित भी नेकेड ही निकला। मैं इतना ही नेकेड की बात कर रही थी। हो गया
अच्छा बना।
खिचड़ी एंड आलू का सब्जी। There's hummus too. Guys, this boy with boxers and this girl with I don't know what does that look. He got a cake for Sagar. So cute. Sagar, सब लोग तो ला रहे हैं, अभी मैं तेरे लिए उस दिन कुछ भी करूंगी वो स्पेशल नहीं होगा।
All this nonsense, she has to talk now.
What nonsense? Shut up.
We doing a business deal.
या
क्या है business?
क्या डीप टॉक्स के बाद हम लोग ने ऐसे केक लाए। ओ गाइस लेट्स सेलिब्रेट लाइफ।
ओ गॉड, एक्चुअली किसी को समझा भी नहीं, बेल भी बजा और ये भी हुआ एंड ऋषभ जाके आया। क्या सीक्रेसी में उसने पूरा कर दिया।
ये कर देता हूँ,
मना कर देता हूँ, ignore।
मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ कि ऐसा क्या है।
हाँ ऋषभ बोला क्या आया, छोड़ इग्नोर कर, तो क्या अच्छा एक्टिंग किया। चलो मेक अ विश।
नहीं हुआ।
Good morning guys, I am having my collagen black currants flavored vegetarian bowl. This is what I am trying to have every morning now, although मैं भूल जाती हूँ, but today because I remember I am having it right before I go to the gym. And this is my cute gym outfit by the way. I'll show you like a proper look in a bit. Let me finish this. मैंने बहुत weird angle में camera रखा है to film this.
Let me overcast the weather. कैसे?
पता नहीं।
There must be something.
I don't know, this is Forever 21 or H&M. Kawa. Cute. Very Kawa girl. Guys, I'm having a very high protein snack which is like this. Let me show you. ऐसा करके. This is high protein milk which is 25 grams of milk and a mango and high protein oats from Yoga Bar if I'm not sure. So this has got easily like 32 gram of protein and it tastes good. If you have protein in a very boring form, 3 seconds में अपना बंद हो जाएगा।
कुछ तो सेटिंग
नहीं हुआ। नहीं हुआ। Yes, we're at H&M. We're traveling
लास्ट मिनट
tomorrow. So सागर को एक लुक उसका पहनना था for that. उसका जो एक piece of that entire fit was a little dull. So we rushed to H&M to get that.
वाओ
Wow. Good morning, you guys. I barely like slept for 1 hour, I would like to say, but it was not even 1 hour because I was really anxious and it was not a good night. Anyway, I'm at the airport taking a flight. I'm not gonna eat anything here, so I carried my own. I'll show you that in a bit. I'm on my way to Delhi for a really interesting thing which will happen today, and it's also Sagar's birthday tomorrow, and then the next few days are going to be all the more fun and interesting, so come along for the ride.
Blooming flowers, as much as I can hold. I'm gone away. I'm gone.
Landed in Delhi and I slept through the entire. I did not even realize when we kind of landed, but yeah, I'm also trying to get my steps in right now by choosing to walk on the side and not on whatever that thing is called. I'm so sleepy. I barely got like 2 hours of sleep, but it was fine. I'm really excited now. We are so efficient that we got our sandwich packed, our breakfast packed, so that we don't eat anything junk from the airport. What do you think about the gochujang paneer sandwich?
Go to junk.
Gochujang.
Okay. तूने junk बोला ना थोड़ा।
Junk?
We're not eating junk, but we're eating going junk.
finally made it to Delhi, and this is my room tour. We are staying at Sheraton Hotels in Saket, and this is our room. We enter, and what a very nice bathroom! It's so nice and clean. There's a bathrobe, everything so intact and kept well. We have a hairdryer, which is great. Love it. This is the wardrobe area, and then this is all the kitchen and fridge stuff. There's just too many stuff for just the two of us. We have so many mirrors, which is what I love, and the bed looks decent. Okay. This was not the surprise I was expecting, but yeah. Hi. We're so glad that they gave us like an early check-in. But wait, this is also that spending. This is like the work area. We don't have like a great view, which is fine. But yeah, we're gonna quickly go take a dump. No, we're gonna go take a nap now and then get ready for the day. Oh, there's a French press.
Oh wow.
Wow. But where's the coffee? Interesting. Yeah. So काफी मजा आ रहा है मुझे. काफी सारी चीजें देख रही हूँ मैं. ये जो है ये
It's my first hand
बंटी को मारने के लिए है.
traveling with Spotify.
I did not reveal this yet, but yeah, we are here for Spotify का some
कट कर देना बाद में बता दे.
exclusive stuff.
तूने काफी सेटअप कर दिया है इधर तो.
Well, okay, we are ready and we are going to the location in the Piano Man. Show you my fit.
Wow.
So nice.
Hello.
His fit versus my fit.
Hello.
Going late हो गए. Late नहीं हो गए. Before time only. Always punctual.
लिया?
लिया. We're here at the Piano Man location and it's such a beautiful setup. It's a very intimate setting with Anujan. We are sitting here maybe. So this is kind of the vibe that we're looking at.
What is this? Cheese?
कुछ भी ना मांगू कभी मैं जो तुम मेरे हो बस इतने में समझ जाऊंगा हाँ एक दिन कभी कोई जब भी पढ़े कहानी
We just got back from the Piano Man. The event was amazing. We're so damn tired, but it's Sagar's birthday eve, so we are going out to grab something light to eat. I'm not really hungry because we kind of ate a lot over there. I don't think we ate a lot. It's just that
But it
छोटा
was
छोटा
good
खा
food,
के
huh?
आया था. Yeah, the food was really good
Yeah.
and very different too. Obviously love the venue. I had like a good chat with Anuv and reminded him that he was supposed to send me the ticket for his show, which he did not. So I complained about that to him and he yelled at Sagar for not getting in touch with the team to get the tickets for me. But either ways, yeah, it was nice, it was fun, and loved how great Spotify team has taken care of us. Don't you agree? Like they were like always on point on there. What do you want? Do you guys need anything?
Shout out to Zara and Yashika.
Yeah, literally like everybody from the team. Anyway, let's go now.
मेरे पास रख सकता हूँ.
In terms of keeping up with my 75 hour, it has been a struggle honestly because मुझे time ही नहीं मिला है to kind of like get in my steps or do a workout, and I really don't know how I am going to manage in week 2 and week 3 because I'm traveling both the weeks. So anyway, today is what day? I think it's day 3 of week 2, and we're going out right now, so I'm going to at least get my steps in. But of course, workout nahi hua hai. I have had my protein shake in the afternoon, so protein is done. Reading has not been done, supplements have not been taken, so that is going a little off. Majorly, it is just about getting my steps in or doing a workout and having my protein, which are my major goals. So steps to I kar lungi. We've come to Chili's after काफी waiting के बाद we got a table. What do we order here that is healthy for me? Nothing. You look so tired.
Oh, I am.
Yeah, but your burger is here. This is barbecue sauce. What is this? No, what is this burger that we ordered? Southwest.
Smokehouse.
Smokehouse.
But this is nice.
I should try maybe a little. Try. What?
Proper burger place. Huh?
It's yum. I've ordered the healthier option for me. Good morning, guys. Day 5 of week 2 challenge. I'm here in Delhi. I am going to the gym right now. I have planned to do the gym and then go for a swim session and then go for breakfast. But कल रात को मेरे को काफ़ी सर्दी वापस चढ़ गई. You know, I've been sick on and off this entire week. So I am skipping the swim, and rather I will just be going for a workout, finishing a workout. So let's go do that. It's gonna be a well-earned breakfast. Body khula hai na? Yeah, see? It's his birthday, by the way, guys. Oops. And I made him do a workout, which he is happy about. Are you happy? Yeah? Say loudly. I'm very happy.
I'm very happy.
Yeah.
And I've not been paid to do this.
Are you sure?
You don't need sugar.
I do. Yum. What did I order? Salad. Mushroom salad.
Mushroom tossed in sardo. Over sardo.
No.
क्या है इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Under, over, above, around.
Mushroom trio.
That is it. Just taking one coffee back for the room. So then I still am sleepy. I really need to wake up. Now I feel so sleepy after eating a good meal, doing a great workout, which I'm so proud of because I did do workout on my vacation. I am excited for the day and to leave for a very interesting place. But
क्या scene है?
it is Babu's birthday. We are planning to go for lunch maybe at some nice place, but we're so full. At least I am. I don't know what is this position.
ओए क्या सीन है? क्या ऐसा क्रॉप दिखा रही है? ये टीवी देखते हैं.
This is what you want to do on your birthday. Birthday, बाइका birthday. अभी हम थोड़ा planning करते हैं, but what do you want to say for your birthday?
I would like to thank
Oh shit, can you check my YouTube? Shit, I have not checked my YouTube, Instagram in more than like 12 hours. More than that, YouTube तो मैंने कल के पूरे दिन में नहीं देखा है. Shit, I wanted to do that if I don't know if I've reached or not. मुझे वो
it's 999.
Okay.
Still have time.
कितना?
99 मेरे को नहीं दिखेगा वो.
Oh shit, मेरे को खुद से दिखेगा. मुझे वो करना है. Wait, वो कैसे स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग करते हैं? Wait.
Counter, ना subscriber counter.
Yeah, subscriber counter.
Wait.
Let's do that. I'll find my laptop. Oh my god. Hey guys, we are checking out, and We have a day today in Delhi to kind of explore. We're not going to do that because there's a bad heat wave happening around here. So yeah, actually we'll just go for like maybe some place to eat and chill there around Mehi because we are really full already from the breakfast. And I also need to go to run some errands. My phone number is acting up, so I need to like fix that immediately. जो calls मतलब call center पे call करके नहीं हो रहा है. This is the fit. Yeah. चलो लिफ्ट में जाते हैं, रूम चेकआउट करते हैं. Okay, errands are done. We are back at El Deco Center. We are going to Manam to eat Sagar's birthday cake. Yeah.
Let's fucking eat a cake today because let's not diet today.
मैं फिर भी थोड़ा करूँगी guys, but of course it's his birthday. I also don't want to disappoint him.
मुझे कहाँ से disappoint होगा?
अच्छा, कल पता है उसने मेरे को क्या
Chocolate
बोला?
gods will be sad.
उसने मेरे को कल क्या बोला? He was like कि he does not want to drink because he feels alone. Like he feels very awkward to drink alone in a very social setting. So he was like not pressuring me, but like just subtle way में बोल रहा था कि I should drink. Oh, nice chocolate. तुम लोगों को दिख क्यों नहीं रहा है chocolate? Wait, let me show you. नहीं दिख रहा है chocolate. Chocolate. I want to show them the. Yeah, but this is the. See, this is like an experiential store with. Like people can try also. This is dark. That's dark. That's milk. Interesting. What is this? And all the collection. Yeah. We can try something. What do you want to try?
So 70% dark.
We can try the 70% dark. We want to try birthday cake.
Yes.
Birthday cake has. Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know. Lemon cheesecake. Let's try that. Okay. Let's see. Please don't fall. So many options. But what? Do you want to take this as your birthday cake?
Too much.
This is a lot. And हम दोनों मिलके नहीं of course खा पाएंगे.
Smaller version.
They do have a smaller version of the dark chocolate.
But raspberry, no?
Let's have that. Yes, it's here. Wow, coconut lemon.
Face you. Thanks, man.
Guys, they were so cute. It's a happy birthday cake. We ordered the same dark chocolate raspberry, the pastry version of it because हम पूरा केक नहीं खा पाते हैं. फिर भी ये कितना बड़ा है. Look. Say thank you to everybody who's gonna wish you in the comments.
Everyone will wish me and wished us for good time.
अरे बर्थडे विशेस कर कहाँ बोल रहा है. स्पीच देने बैठ गया यार ये तो. We are here now, back at ZLF Mall, साकेत में, which is हम लोग का जो होटल है उसके पीछे से एक छोटा सा गेट जाता है, सीक्रेट गेट. तो वो गेट से हम लोग क्विकली यहाँ पे पहुँच जाते हैं, वरना वी हैव टू लाइक पूरा घूम ऑफ एंड कम. We did not eat lunch because you all remember we had a very heavy breakfast, but abhi we are kind of like a little hungry, so we came here and we came to Gola Sizzler, which is in the mall. Never been to this place or never heard about it, but we thought maybe we'll give it a try. And we've ordered for one Vietnamese cold coffee, cold brew Vietnamese, sushi and pasta. Very odd combination, all the three things. Now that I've said it out loud, I realize it is really odd. But let's eat because रात को हम लोग का बहुत लंबा travel होने वाला है. उसका vlog अलग से होने वाला है. This vlog is just Delhi vlog. What we did in Delhi. What do you think?
Exit Delhi in like 2 hours, 3 hours.
4 hours.
But हमें 6 बजे कहीं पहुंचना है. 6 बजे निकलना है ना
6 बजे निकलना है 6:30 तक निकल सकते
because we don't know how Delhi traffic is, so we're going to take the metro with the luggage. That is also
Hopefully the metro. I'm not even sure if you're taking the metro.
we'll have to check traffic for this.
Traffic के basis पे because metro थोड़ा like I can travel however, but I have a few like high maintenance people with me.
हाई मेंटेनेंस है मैं नहीं
तो ही है यही है.
मैंने तो उसको बोला
मैंने तो उसको बोला कि रास्ते पे पानी पूरी खा लेते गोलगप्पे खाते नहीं मुझे जाना है 5 स्टार.
I wanted to go social.
नो
He said
मैंने तो
then let's
मैंने तो गोलगप्पे बोले थे.
पानी
मैंने तो गोलगप्पे बोले थे.
मैंने बोला था तूने मना किया. She's so high maintenance, she doesn't want to go out in the heat.
Because it's so bad. It's so bad. Like the heat in Delhi is horrible.
The moment she is inside any air conditioned place, her mood changes. She becomes Saraswati Ma, Pavam girl.
What Pawan? What is your problem?
खाना है
नहीं आया अपना.
बाजू वाले
Pasta is here. The sushi is here. Let's see. मुझे देख के ही लग रहा है कि it is going to be a little more for the two of us. But sushi so that I can still be a little healthy. I have no idea how to like do my diet here. 75 hard तो बहुत ही difficult हो
very
गया.
hard.
Especially when I'm traveling. I'm trying to keep up my workout and protein intake. That's about it. Should I take a break? I didn't. There will always be a reason to pause. A trip, a celebration, a busy week. If I keep waiting for life to calm down before I focus on my health, I'm going to be waiting forever. So I didn't take the break. And I'm really glad I didn't. Because what happened next ended up teaching me the biggest lesson of this entire challenge so far. But that's for the next vlog.